how to download Valorant 2022. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, here you have to go on playvalorant.com.en.gb. so over here in this pair you have to go on play free. Now you have to make an account, or you can sign in with your current account. You can do this, or you can scroll down and there is all kind of Valorant stuff down here. You can see all these stuffs, and down here there is an option of download game client. Now if you click on download game client, then it will take you to the another section in which you can download the game, and you have to click over here. You will download a setup, you have to install it, and rest will be done automatically by Valorant. This is how you can download Valorant in 2022. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.